Welcoming a new baby is a joyous occasion, and a baby shower is a perfect way to celebrate. With the right theme, the baby shower can be a memorable event for the expectant parents and their guests. Choosing a theme can set the tone for the entire event. For a touch of elegance, a welcome to the world theme with globes and maps as decor can be enchanting. For those who love literature, a storybook theme with beloved children's books is both charming and nostalgic. If the parents-to-be are all about adventure, a wilderness explorer theme, complete with animal prints and greenery, can be thrilling. And for a sprinkle of magic, a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star theme with celestial decorations will surely dazzle. Engaging activities and games are essential for a fun baby shower. Guess the baby food can provoke laughter as guests try to identify mashed-up foods. Baby bingo keeps everyone on their toes as gifts are opened. For a creative twist, Design a Onesie allows guests to personalize a keepsake for the baby. Decorations and food are where themes truly come to life. For the Welcome to the World theme, serve international cuisine and use vintage suitcases for a travel vibe. Storybook showers can feature quotes and images from classic tales, with a menu that includes Hansel and Gretel's gingerbread. Wilderness explorer parties might have rustic decor and a trail mix bar. And for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, think of a night sky with hanging lights and star-shaped cookies. A baby shower is more than just a party. It's a heartfelt celebration of life's new beginnings. With these themes and ideas, the shower will not only honor the upcoming arrival but also provide a delightful experience for all who attend.